First off, I love you. And I really couldn't think of any other way to start this.
Josie, as our family and friends have expressed this week, I'm not always the quickest to empathize, make a decision, or express emotion. Except for a tear or two here. While you excel at those three traits with grace and ease, you should know that me taking years to get to this point and propose after 5+ was not because I wasn't sure if you were the one. I knew you were the one from the Saturday junior year that we had the pre-game party before the UC game at 95 East 14th, that you came over and hung out and later met up with me at the game.
But for Ohio State, there wouldn't be us. So cheesy, however it's so true. We were spoiled with the best dates every fall Saturday. I learned how loyal and dedicated you are to the things you love. And although we had some fun, we also had some serious times to spend together as well. Some spent in that big old library where you showed me you also have some brains up there. And you always had your priorities straight. While finding you in the shoe full of 100,000 people is one of my greatest skills, there's no way someone or something didn't help push a girl from Oregon find you quite literally in a sea of people.
The rest of the time from that day forward, I spent trying to figure out how I could fool you long enough to keep you around. And boy, look at us now. I don't have the words to express what you are to me. And when I sat down to write these vows a few minutes ago,
Beyond Ohio State, we've snowshoed to the tops of mountains, reached nearly the bottom of the Grand Canyon, dipped our toes in both the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans.
Through the power vested in me by the state of Oregon, it is my pleasure to pronounce you, finally, as husband and wife, sealed together in law and in love. Zach, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to present to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Zachary Bowden.
I realized the more I wrote, the longer I'd have to stand up here and talk, and the longer I would have to wait to make it official. Yeah, I'm done waiting. I can't wait to start our life together.
While we're about to vow all the strong traditional things, I also wanted to vow to always be the girl, and when I'm older, it'll have to be in spirit, but the girl running across the oval in slippers with hot tea splashing everywhere just to catch up, knowing that my favorite place is to be with you. I also vow to be sturdy as a rock, yet grow with you as these years roll on. You're my favorite, and I'm so excited I'll be able to say that forever. I love you.
We got love that we'll never need to hide. Love will always rise above. Whatever comes, we will be just fine. If I am yours and you are mine, take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy. Hold me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me. Just be with me. Just be with me. Now we're will be the stars. We can go any place that we want to. I don't care if that's too far. Take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy. Hold me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me. Just be with me.